everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Vlookup formula in order to pull up a data from a table array. So here we have a data sheet which consists of name of the client, client code, product ordered, date of dispatch and amount received. A list of client has been given to us and we are required to find the product ordered by them. This can be done in a easiest way using Vlookup formula. You have to write is equal to Vlookup, bracket open. You have to give first the lookup value what you are searching for. So this is the client name I'm searching for, comma. You have to give the table array. This is our client name, first column, second, third. Product ordered is here. I have covered it. You can stop here as a table array or you can select the complete array as well. There is no issue in it. I'm selecting up to this, comma. Now the formula asks to submit the column number from which the data has to be pulled up. So client name is column number 1, client code is column number 2, product order is column number 3. So you have to write 3 here, then comma, you have to give the condition whether you are looking for an approximate match or you are looking for an exact match. I need exact match, so I'm going to select false here and then bracket close, enter. This is the product ordered by this client. In order to get the product ordered by these clients, you can use a will handle, double click and you will get this values. Two things that you have to understand while using the VLOOKUP is the first thing, this lookup value should be lying in the first column. So select the table array in such a way that the lookup value will be in the first column. Second thing, you can find the values related to this lookup value which are in front of the lookup value. So using the client name, I can find the client code, product ordered, date of dispatch and amount received. But if I say I need to use the client code as a lookup value and find the client name, then the formula is not going to work because client name is behind the client code and VLOOKUP is not going to work. So you have to make sure the data which you are pulling should be in front of the lookup value. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.